It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to Whitt Family Adventure, man. It's our first snow day of 2022, man. So I got Amir back here behind me. Y'all see him back here. We finna go do what you call it? Sledding on the sledding pretty much. You got the whole gang in front of me. You got the whole gang. Mario on the ground. Bruh. He's falling all over the place. As you can see, we got a snow day. I got the gang behind me. We finna go hit this hill and go down the sled and, you know, have some fun with the kids, man. Got the whole gang right here. See wifey coming on. So got the whole kids, man. So stay tuned, man. Woo! Nice, beautiful day outside.
You ready? Yep.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Bruh. Man down, as you can see. We haven't made it to the sleigh yet, and she already falling all over the place, man. It's going down out here in North Carolina, man. It's our first snow day of 2022, man. So, hey, down here in North Carolina, we don't get that much snow, so we get excited when we get a lot of snow, guys. So that's why we're so excited right now. Come on, guys, let's go, man. Let's get to the hill so they can see us get down the hill, man. What you gonna do down there? Huh? What you gonna do? Come on, y'all, let's go. All right, guys, we finally made it to the hill. One of the hills out here, we finally made it. So, get that out for y'all. All right, we finally made it to the hill. Bruh. Snowboard?
Snowboard is better.
Snowboard better?
Y'all gotta go snowboarding.
Yeah, I know. We definitely gotta go snowboard. So that's definitely a family activity we gotta do. Go snowboard, guys. Right here, we enjoying the hill, as you can see. Nope, you didn't make it. I'll go down a little bit.
Crash into my baby like that. Look at the snowboard. Come on, it's my turn. He ran right past the snowboard.
What? Ava, what you doing? You having fun, Ava? Almost. So you having fun, Ava? Yeah, your hand is freezing. We just got out here like less than 5 minutes ago.
Because it's full of snow.
Oh, man.
Let's race.
Y'all gonna race?
Mommy, I get over here. No, me and Amir about to race.
Uh-oh. I said.
Come on, you ready?
You said go. Uh-oh. That's over with. Who y'all think won?
Amir.
You said who won?
Amir.
You think Amir won?
Yeah.
Who you think won?
Mommy.
Huh? Mommy won. Wow. Hey, you see that girl power stick together? I know good well that Shayna did not win. Mommy did not win, guys. So Amir won that race. So like I said, we out here enjoying the snow day down here in North Carolina. This is our first snow day, like I said before, of 2022, man. So yeah, in a while. It haven't snowed down here in a while like this. So, hey, we definitely enjoying the weather out here. Let's go. Are you going down back? Let's go. What you doing here, Ava? You having fun?
Bruh.
Alright guys, we done for the day, man. So we enjoyed the snow day. I got the gang behind me back there. Got the whole squad. Someone's still lagging back there. So hey, we're just gonna leave them back there, man. So I hope y'all had a great time. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man. Definitely, man. But let me know in your city if it's snowing right now. You know what I'm saying? How many inches of snow y'all guys get, man. Appreciate you tuning in. Hey, I ain't gonna hold you guys up. Hey, we out of here. Thanks for watching, and we see y'all later.